Hello dear friends, so welcome to this video. I'm here to show you guys this new platform that I'm actually operating on, and it has been enabling me to do some stuff for myself. Now as you can see display right here on my screen, this is actually a live account as I've shown it so many times on different of my videos. So quickly let me show you guys how to get started on this platform. Primarily all you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video and it will bring you to this page. Now once you log into this page, as you can see, this is my own official account and I'm going to be doing everything from the initial, and I'm placing a live withdrawal on this account. So what you just need to do is to just click on start now. You can actually also check in their channel and also check in their customer support. Now once you just get to this interface, I will urge you to make sure you try and read this. I'll be showing you how to recharge on this platform and how you can actually earn. Now this is actually a public disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is meant for educational purpose and you are left to make good decision for yourself, so you can actually earn from this platform just as I'm earning. Now the next thing for you to do is to come here. You see an arrow pointing down at it. There is an icon called the me icon on your right, the first icon counting from your right. Now once you click on that icon, you will see an option tagged withdrawal. Now on this option, that is where you'll be able to impute your login password. Now with this your login password, you will need it so that you can withdraw. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recharge and how you can earn from this platform. But before I do that, this is what you need to know. Let's click on home page. If you click on the home, then you are going to see different form of amounts that you can unlock, different possibilities here and be able to earn from them. Now if you look at this very well, you see we have the level 1 and you can see the cost right here. We have the level 2, and now note that all these different levels is going to earn you different form of interest once you unlock them. So this is what I want to urge you. For those of you that are a member of my community, please and please, if you want to engage in platforms as this, please make sure you are using funds that you have the ability to let go, and make sure you are setting your ROI within the maximum of 7 to 14 days. Because what I'm doing here now, within 7 days, I'll be able to earn what I've actually imputed during my recharge and earn a little bit of interest as the platform still exists. You understand? So all I just need to do, I already made a deposit here of around 10 here. I did the first level 1 here. So all I just need to do here is to click on tax. Tax is the second icon counting from my left. So if I click on that tax, this is what you are going to do daily. You click on tax, you now tap on complete. So I just want to quickly place a withdrawal live here. Now based on how much you actually recharge here, it's going to determine your own interest. So if I click on this tax, you can see how much I'm earning per income. So I'm just going to go to this section here so that I can place withdrawal. So I want to make use of USDT BEP20. You can see there are different network here, but I love using USDT BEP20. So let's go back to the wallet. So you can see, make sure you take note of the amount you have here, so that once I place the live withdrawal, you'll be able to verify it and validate that the withdrawal actually came. So let's just place it here. Please make sure you are not making mistake in terms of your withdrawal, in terms of the address that you are using. Then the next thing for me to do is to impute my password. As you can see, I'm covering the details because these are actually private stuff. Ensure that your login password and every other details that you have is well kept in a safe place. So let me just tap on withdraw and confirm it. So once I confirm it, you see the withdrawal is successful on my own end, and I'm still going to go confirm it in our official wallet so you can see. Now for you to recharge, all you just need to do is to tap here at the me icon, the first icon counting from your right. You tap on recharge here, and you are going to see they are going to provide you with different options for you to recharge. We have USDT BEP20 here, and then we have USDT we have USDT BEP20. This is the official USDT BEP20. This is for BNB. But if you don't want to have any form of confusion, if you understand what you are doing, if you don't understand, all you just need to make use of what USDT BEP20. So let's even go and check if our withdrawal has actually arrived, because it's expected to arrive in less than 1 minute. So you can see just with a startup with around just the first level, you can see how much I'm already earning per day. So you can see our withdrawal has arrived. You can see it. This is actually a live video. You can see it arrived so fast. So just make sure, and if you have any question, do make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel so you can ask me whatsoever question that you have, and I'll be able to guide you and direct you. Now you can see this is where you can head to the official channel. The link to the official channel is right displayed on the home page once you log in on the platform. So that's just it basically. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. You can also contact their customer service in case you have any issues, so that they'll be able to guide you. And make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of of this video, so you can also reach out to me in case you have any form of question and concern, and I'll be there to guide you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Thank you.